A very good morning to my dear computer students. Beta, we have completed chapter number 8. So today we'll be doing practical based on chapter number 8. And today we'll be designing a calendar. Fine. So let us see how to design it step by step. So at the very beginning we'll make the page orientation portrait, right? So we will go like this, and actually we were in format tab. There we have clicked on page style option, then page tab we have opened, and then we'll click on landscape. Okay, so let us do it. Okay, then what we need to do, we need to color the page. Okay, so we'll give gradient color so that it may look multicolored. Okay, so I'll take this color and I'll take this color. Fine, so let us implement it on. Fine, the page is looking like this. Fine. Okay, so once the page has been given a beautiful color, then we will add a table to it. So for adding table, we'll go in insert table. Now we will be, for making a table, we know we need 7 columns and 7 rows, and we'll take a beautiful style also. It will be contrasting to the background, so let us take it. Okay, now the table size is small. What we need to do, we need to select this table first. How to select this? Like this. The complete table gets selected when this arrow comes, like. Okay, so once it has been selected, so we will increase the size. Fine. Let us decrease it little bit, otherwise it may not be fitted on the, yes, this is right, I think. And let us move it little down. Fine, because we need to add title here also, because we are going to make calendar of August. Okay, so let us add word art. See, I have taken it out in the toolbar. So from where I got it, tools may, you will go in customize. Okay, so after clicking it on, you need to type font work. Okay, so you see font work style. This comes when you click it on, and then you click arrow. Okay, and then okay, so it will get added here. Okay, so now just click it on and select a style of your own choice. Okay, that you feel is right, like I'm selecting this. Okay, so it is there, like word art is there in MS Word. Okay, so we can resize it also. So let us resize it. I think we need little more smaller. Actually it is little bit merging with the things. So that is how we wanted it. Okay, we can resize it very easily. Fine, so if you want like increase in the width of it, fine, you may. So we'll be clicking here and we'll selecting color here. Okay, then we may select the different color scheme as per our convenience. Okay, like if you want it to be of red color, that it is also fine. And if you want to increase the thickness also, this may work. Okay, and you want to change the style, fine, this way it will look like ultimately. Fine, so after we have let us write the text here. So once you double click it, you will get this. Now we will be writing our text. We want August 20 20. Okay, so when we'll click out, it will get converted. Fine. So this way we are having it. Fine. So after setting it, what we will do, we will select this table again, and we will try to rather we should go here and click on, no need to select it actually, right click and go in table properties. Okay, then we may select the border. Okay, we want to darken the border actually, but the color should be black. Okay, thickness we can increase little bit, and then click on OK. So the border is there, that is giving it a beautiful look. Okay, then afterwards we will start writing here. So turn the caps lock on and keep on pressing the tab. Okay, Sunday, and then Monday, tab, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, then again tab. So the first date was on Saturday, then again tab, it will come to next, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, then ninth, 10. I'm keeping pressing the tab button. Okay, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, sorry, it should be here, 29, then 30 and 31. Last two are bold, we don't want them to be bold, so unbold them. Fine. So now select the complete table and give the proper alignment. Okay, now make it bold everything. Okay, now then select these Sundays and make them of different color. Let us say this color we are selecting. Okay, fine. So and let us mark holidays also with this color, and let us put an underline under it. Okay, rather we can use the font 14 at least. So it is not setting up properly. Let us try it. Yes, now it is okay. Then on 15 August we have holiday, underline it also. On 12 August we have Janmashtami, underline it also. And on 22 we have holiday, underline it also. And on 30 I think it is also holiday. So we can make this calendar like this. I hope it is clear to you. Fine, so in this way we can design a calendar beautifully. I hope it is clear to you. Please try making a calendar like this and send a screenshot of it when I'll be giving you the assignment work. Thank you so much.